everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So yesterday I went over that we were working in the mental hospital or whatnot. So I was working in there again today. I had really high expectations that I was just gonna drill some holes in the door, pull the wire through. It was gonna be like an hour, and I was gonna go find something else to do for the rest of the day. Was not the case. Getting through the door frame was one of the most crazy things I have done in a while. So nothing went according to plan. There was the door frame. Well, the door frame was like solid. Usually it's like just a door frame that you see, and then there's an open channel on the top. This was not the case. There was like a door frame, and then there was like the top of the door frame, and then like 8 inches above that was like, or maybe even a foot, was like a top plate in the wall itself. So the whole like door was like sheetrock on both sides, and then door frame, top plate. So it was actually crazy. So at the end of the day, basically got the, well, not the end of the day, but anyways, I got the holes drilled, all 3 holes. So it was like hole saw, and then like 1/4 inch drill bit, which we bored out to I don't know what size to get the wire through cleaner. So I got the holes drilled, got the sheetrock hole cut, cut some holes in the sheetrock to be able to get my hand into the wall to be able to grab the little sealing wire that we were using to push up to find the hole. So basically Steven finished this out because I had to go do something else. So basically I got all the holes ready, got the sheetrock up and the ceiling done, and I think that was pretty much it. So I got all the holes ready, marked everything out on the door frame itself for where everything needed to get screwed into. I already had the hole for the wire. So I had to go do something, and Steven finished it out, just came in there, plopped the wire right in there, like in an hour, half hour, I don't know. It was pretty quick, considering that like we spent like the rest of the day just trying to get the holes fished up there and stuff. Had to take a whole bunch of like rock wool out of the wall. It's actually insane. I like tore up my arm and stuff like that. Just had to like fit my head between like, it was like between 2 struts and a cable tray. So it was like, I was like stuck in there sometimes. I like had to like get my arm out. I was like actually stuck in there. So I was like trying not to panic. So anyways, got all that stuff ready. Steven finished it out, got the wire pulled in, got it into the junction box, the power junction box, whatever you want to call that thing. And then he screwed up the plate, put the door magnet on, got that all tightened up with the Allen keys. I landed the wire earlier. I don't know if he re-terminated the wires or whatnot, and then we had to turn the little clicker inside to tell the door how long the door needs to be unlocked for, which we think we set it for 5 seconds. So anyways, at the end of the day, we got everything done. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it was a nice day because it wasn't. It was stressful. It was more stressful than anything. I kind of forgot about the whole like patient safety thing. Not that I forgot about it, like obviously I was watching, but I was just so stressed out and trying to get this done by the end of the day that I was like not even like, didn't even faze me that I was working in like the mental hospital or anything like that. So it was a stressful day. I was just trying to get things done, trying to be productive. And at the end of the day, I guess everything worked out because everything got finished. I think the other lady has to come in and put the actual card reader in and stuff like that, and then we'll have to go back one last time for like 30 seconds and terminate a couple low voltage wires. But other than that, everything should be done now. So I'm really happy that Steven finished it out. Great help from my apprentice today, vacuuming and stuff like that while drilling, cleaning up, watching the containment cart, stuff like that. So anyways, all in all, it was a good day. Well, all's well that ends well, I guess. So I'm glad everything got finished, and that's all that really matters. No major problems, anything like that. Just took longer than I had hoped for, but still within the budget of the 2 days to finish this project. So anyways, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, and hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay safe out there. Watch out for yourselves, and that's all I got for you guys. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace.